Hi guys, so ito yung tutorial na sinasabi ko sa inyo na how to gain Wattpad coins. So, punta tayo dito sa mismong app. So, i-click niyo. Kailangan niyo siyang i-install. Before kayo mag-login sa mismong account niyo, kailangan niyo munang i-clear data or parang clear latch yung doon sa bandang settings ng app. So, kailangan mo lang itong siyang connect. First, so once successful connection na siya, nakikita niyo siya parang nandito na siya United States. Kahit saan na lugar ninyo i-connect. So, ganito yung gagawin nyo. Pagkatapos yung na-on na yung VNP or yung parang Turbo app, punta kayo dito. Punta kayo dito. Kita niyo ito dito sa App Info. Dito, may joke. Dito. So, before kayo mag-login sa account niyo para siya mukhang bago or parang refresh siya na parang login mo lang talaga sa isang araw, ganun. Para hindi ma-notify yung mga histories mo, is kailangan mong gawin is dito at dito. I-delete mo lahat ng yan. So, for example, tapos ko na na-delete. At na-turn in ko na yung VPN. So, punta tayo sa Wattpad. Yung kailangan mo na Wattpad is Wattpad Beta. Gumagana din siya sa Wattpad app, kaso minsan nagloloko. Kaya, if ever, mas better na gumamit na lang kayo ng Wattpad Beta than Wattpad app or yung original na app. Since yung beta, same lang naman sila. Mas gumanda nga yung figure ng Wattpad Beta. So, punta tayo dito. So, dito, since loading pa siya, kailangan nating hintayin yan. Since naka-on na yung VPN, so, ano na siya, guaranteed na siya na mabibigay o may parang watch ads for 3 coins ka dito. I-click mo lang yung plus. And then, kita nyo to, may buy coins, meron din itong earn coins. Dito sa earn coins, tatlong coins lang kada araw. Kaya, kung gusto mo talaga or masipag ka talaga katulad ng ginagawa ko, hindi ako naka-reach ng 400 plus na sa main account ko na coins since busy na ako at hindi ko na magagawa yung 3 days login, 3 days.
This is what keeps me going.
Watch ads.
Hi, I'm Jonathan, and I teach people how to make money for free from apps that I use every single day. And this person, like a lot of other people, has found that Daily Gifts really does work. It will give you a sign-up cash reward after you register. Of course, you need to bind your PayPal because this is the payment method they use to pay you. Go ahead, check in and then play games every day. Your PayPal will often receive money. I actually downloaded Daily Gifts. It's not hard. You just need to play often to make money. The longer you play, the more you earn. You won't be disappointed.
So, pagkatapos mong mag-watch, siyempre, tatatak lang yan doon pagkatapos. Kailangan na nating hintayin kasi loading ng ads. Pagkatapos, gaganyan siya. You earn 1 coin. So, tatak siya dyan. So, naging 45 na siya.
Some of Playwill's top users have earned $20 gift cards in 15 days. Can you do it in 15 days? You could be earning gift cards by playing new games on your mobile phone. Playwill recommends you games based on your taste. And all you have to do is pick a new game, play it, earn coins, and then you could redeem those coins for actual cash or different gift cards they offer. And the longer you play, the more that you earn. Go download Playwell from the Google Play Store and play new games on the app and start earning. So if you like playing games and earning gift cards, you need to download Playwell and start earning right now.
Hindi mo siya maklik-click. Pwede mo lang maklik na libre sa VPN na yon. And then, pag na-turn on mo na, so doon ka na mag-login sa account mo. Minsan kasi, gumagana yung VPN na hindi mo na kailangan palagi mag-login, login. Depende lang yon sa cellphone mo or sa capacity or parang dito kasi sa akin, sa Wattpad ko na na-install or na-login, hindi ko siya na-log out or since parang gumanito lang siya. Depende kasi yan. Minsan kung hindi mo kailangan ni-log out since meron pa siyang earn coins dito. Pero minsan kasi mawawala yung earn coins kaya kailangan nating i-log in, log out.
I lost my job last week, but now I'm making $3,000 a week. You just need to download Playgame. Pays you $300 per day. No ads, no top-up, no withdrawal limit. Download now to get $100.
Try this game. You can make money by installing the game. The more you play, the more you earn. No cash withdrawal limit, and transactions are within 1 minute. Click the link below to get your money now.
So, pagkatapos ito, tapos na tayo sa 3 ads. Repeat lang talaga yung gagawin bukas. Dapat talaga masipag ka para naman at least may makikita kang coins sa Wattpad mo. Nakakasaya kaya kahit hindi mo siya gagastusin. Yung akin kasi, iniipon ko lang siya, hindi ko siya ginagastos. Kasi may sarili akong paid account na doon marami na akong na-unlock. Kaso, due to financial needs, binenta ko. So, may 37 na tayo ngayong araw. So, bukas na naman ulit tayo makaka-earn. So, ganun lang kadali guys. Yung kailangan mo lang stable network or load. And then, makagagawa mo na yon. So, thank you for watching guys. Subscribe for more. And don't forget to give feedback if gumana sa inyo yung tutorial ko. Thank you for watching.